There it is, the collapsed cover gazebo. It's November 12th, 2019, our first big snowstorm of the year. I'll go next door. They made a snowman. Trees don't even have the leaves all gone. Look how much snow's on the roof. Don't even have his boat covered up. There's Linda's old car. Used to call it the mafia car. Guy across the street's kid bought it. He loves it. There's Susie in the window, and there's Paco and Coco. It's about 19 degrees, thereabouts. Show you their snowman next door. And then somebody tried to roll a ball over here. It's good packing for snowmen. Yeah, it's good packing. Winter wonderland. There's the snowman, somewhat. There's the house. Boy, the snow on the roof. This is the neighborhood. This is for all you Californians, which I used to be. Not anymore. Eileen parked in the garage. Yeah. Got going the breezeway here. All right. There's my picture gallery. Still here. Well, I think that's it for now. Over and out.